Hey guys, Happy Dude here, and here's a camera test of the Samsung S23 Ultra. First, we're gonna start with some pictures. And here's another test. Do you see that windmill and crane in the distance? Let me zoom in a bit. You can use 10 times optical zoom without quality loss. And this is 100 times zoomed in, not optical but with software. So you will see some quality loss, but still very impressive. And this is 4K 30 FPS. And this is zoomed in with my editing program to test the video quality. And this is 4K 60 FPS. And now we're also going to zoom in with my editing program. Now let's put them next to each other and see if there's any difference in quality. And this is 8K 30 FPS. There's no 60 FPS. And this is zoomed in with my editing program. Now let's see if we can see any difference between 4K and 8K. And this is 4K 30 FPS with 10 times optical zoom, so there shouldn't be any loss in quality. And this is 4K 60 FPS with 10 times optical zoom. And this is 4K 30 FPS non-HDR. And this is 4K 30 FPS with HDR. And here you can see HDR vs non-HDR. And this is 4K 60 FPS with HDR. And here's a lovely sunset with 4K 60 FPS non-HDR. And here's the sunset in 4K 60 FPS with HDR. Okay, let's test it out in the dark. First up, 4K 30 FPS without HDR. And now 4K 30 FPS with HDR. "4K 60 FPS without HDR. "4K 60 FPS with HDR. Now let's try out the slow motion function. This is shot in 1080p with 240 FPS. And now let's try out super slow motion. This is also in 1080p but with 960 FPS.